Hello guys! In this video, we're going to talk about how to use BingChat to find SEO ideas. But before we begin, please hit that like button to show us your support and help our videos reach more people. Now let's get started. Do you know that there's an AI tool that can help you generate SEO for your content? BingChat is an AI-powered tool using ChatGPT's technology. You can ask the chatbot anything, and you can use it to help you generate SEO ideas. BingChat can be accessed as you go to the URL bing.com. On the top section, click on the chat link. You'll see this page about the chat mode. Now click this button to start chatting, but you need to sign in to start using BingChat. Now you need to click Open in Microsoft Edge. Once you're logged in, you'll see this page. From this chat window, you can choose a conversation style from creative, balanced, or precise. Now let's choose one. Type in the search term here. Let's use the phrase asking BingChat to generate a list of 10 keywords for SEO in this industry. Now you can substitute this depending on your topic. Now here's the generated keywords. If you're doing a keyword research, you can use this list of keywords generated by this bot. It shows one word and 2 keyword phrases in this list. Let's submit another question. Instruct it to generate long phrases instead of this one. We can rephrase it to generate a list of 10 long keyword phrases about fitness. Now, as you can see, it generated a list of long-tail keyword phrases that can be used for SEO relevant to this topic. In this section, you can click the button Copy and paste this generated list on a notepad or a Word document. Now let's create a content using the generated list. Let's use this phrase, create 100-word blog content about fitness using the long keyword phrase list generated in this section. Once you see the response, click Copy, then paste it on a notepad. For this submitted question, we have used BingChat to create content by applying the list of long-tail keywords generated from this question. So whenever we're asking the chatbot, we can connect the previous generated response by the chatbot. Take note that you should edit the generated content that suits your brand. BingChat might include terms or phrases that are not even relevant to your content. Now let's try to use a compelling title tag. This can help your page content show up in the search results. We have to take note that the compelling title tag has to be short, descriptive, and make sure it aligns with your content. Let's use this keyword phrase to generate a compelling title tag. Now we're asking the chatbot to write a compelling title tag under 60 characters. Here's the generated title tags that can be used on our blog site. Now let's copy this list. Let's search for more SEO ideas. Let's ask this question so that the chatbot can generate SEO ideas for these topics. Now let's copy the generated response on our notepad. This response is a balanced conversation style. Now let's change the conversation style to creative. And we're going to use the same question that we have submitted earlier. Copy the results and paste it on our notepad. Now we can compare the generated SEO ideas using a creative and a balanced conversation style. Now let's try the precise conversation style, and we're going to use the same question. Now copy the generated response in our notepad. As you can see, we have 3 different conversation styles for this question. So that's it for today's video. But before the video ends, here's something you shouldn't miss. If you need to rank at the top of the SERPs and drive organic traffic to any niche with the only SEO strategy that still works, we have a marketing app that can help you get leads using Post Influence. Post Influence gets you new traffic with hands-free ease. Build an endless supply of backlinks from website that Google loves hands-free. Get backlink and guest post automation with inbuilt marketplace. Find the perfect sites to target. Outreach automation, and trade in guest posts and links. So try Post Influence now. Go to getpostinfluence.in. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next video.